Hello students, this is our first paper Fundamentals of Human Geography. In that we will be going to focus upon chapter number 3, study of various aspects of population. And today's topic is population growth. In last lecture we discussed upon the population density and the factor which affect upon the population density. The In this chapter we are going to discuss to how to grow the world population, means what was the condition in the past and what will be in future. So firstly, the growth rate of developed and developing country. As we know, if we focused towards the world, there are the world is categorized into two parts: developed and developing. Developing means undeveloped, while undeveloped is another categories. In that we can find out that the developed countries' population growth is comparatively lesser than the developing countries. There are many factors which affect upon the population growth. In that, first is the industrialization, health facility, transportation, education, then social aspects. Such different types of the contents or the factor which mostly responsible for the population growth. Then in social, like as religion also one important part for the growth of population. So nowadays we know that the population is 7.5 billion population of the total world, means 7.5 billion. Apart from that, the India's according to 2011 population means 1.21 billion is India's population. Nowadays means in 2020 or in 2021 it may be reach up to the 131 crore, means 1.31 billion. So if we go into focus upon the world, that time in 1990 there was the 5.3 billion population of the world. In means every decade wise population is increase, and the growth rate has been calculated in that up to 1990 to 2010. In this period 30% population has been rise. Why? Because of the most important factor responsible for that in 1990 to 2010 is globalization. Okay, urbanization. Such things mean in India globalization has been started after 1993. So that's direct and indirect impact we can find out upon our population growth. China's population in 1990s, then 2010, there is little bit increase into the population, and we can compare with India and the China. In 1990, India's population was 87 crore and it's reached 1,224 means um, 1.22 billion, means 87 crore and then 122 crore is a population increase, means that time the growth rate of India has been recorded is 5.90, and then the 2010 to 18's growth rate has been shown in this chapter. But in 1990 to 2010, the China's remain only 17%. means we are double growth rate than China. China and same conditions also nowadays also has been for you can find out. Then United States in 1919 and 2010 in estimated 2018 and the growth rate in 1990 to 2010 has been calculated here. Same as in United States also recorded the 22%. It's also much greater than the China population growth rate. Then Indonesia, then Pakistan. We can't say about the Pakistan. Then surrounded country, Bangladesh also. 41%, 55%, and India was the 40% in 1990 to 2010. But nowadays India is reached up to the only 5.90%, and you can find out the Pakistan remain up nearby 20%, 19.74% growth rate. Bangladesh also decline up to the 7.24%, but all over the world means India, China, Pakistan, then Bangladesh, Nigeria, Brazil. These are the developing country, and these developing countries population growth rate is remain higher than the developed country, like as United States 6%. Means if you compare it with the Indonesia, then Pakistan, then Nigeria 20, 6%. Here the growth rate of United States is recorded higher than the lesser than the United States because of there are many factors which affect upon that. That is migration also one important parts. Most of the peoples are get the preference to United States for their jobs. Here Russia's growth rate minus 3.6%. That is there are many reasons behind that. These people are not ready to get born a baby. Then other social aspects also responsible for that. In Japan also recorded the minus 1.48 growth rate, means their population in 1990 122, it's reached up to the 128, and in 2018 they also declined 128 to 126. And this is a comparison between the developed and undeveloped country. Then population growth is increase in a number of individuals in population. How many people have been raised into this total population? That's a ratio is considered as the population growth. Global human population growth amount to around 83 million annually, or 1.1 per year. The global population has shown from 1 billion in 18,000 to 7.8 billion in 2020. World population has been rising continuously around the year 1315, means 1315. Population began growing rapidly in the Western world during the Industrial Revolution. The most significant increase in world population has been since the 1950, mainly due to the medical advancement. The medical facility are responsible for the population growth increased. Means the mortality has been reduced because of this medical advancement and increase in agriculture productivity. This is the most important graph of the population increase. In 18th century, the population is nearby more than there means 50 lakh. Okay. Then its rise, and in 1850 it's reached up to the 0.60 or 70 lakh. Then in 1950, 2 billion. In 1930 means 2 billion population, 200 crore population was recorded in 1930. Now India's population is 130 crore. Then 4 billion in 1974, 6 billion in 1999. Then 7.80 billion means is in 2020, means from 18 to 1930 means 130 years later the population has been rise up to 1.5 billion. 2 billion population has been increased with duration of 44 years, means they get double into the few years. Then 4 to 6, this 2 billion increment has been recorded only in 34 years, and in 6 to 8 billion will be reached up to the 2022. Means now the world population has been start to decline. Means it's not like this straightways, it will be decline because of the medical facility, then on other aspects will be affect upon the population growth. Thank you.